This is a 2013 BMW 535i, the 3.0 inline 6-cylinder with a turbocharger. We just did the rear muffler delete, brought it out to the nice 4-inch, the burnt look, stainless steel tips. Did the rear muffler delete and left it all stock up front. Left the factory mid muffler in there and all stock up front. Just give it a little bit of rumble, not too much. Let's see what it sounds like. Pretty good for a 6-cylinder, pretty smooth, not real poppy once it warms up a little bit. Should be just what the customer's looking for.